Makeup does not have to be complicated. I am so excited. Today I'm going to see horses. Eee! I'm going to use this. This is the Hello Sunshine Invisible Hydrating Serum Lotion. I'm really liking this. It's by It Cosmetics. That's a lot, but I know they say you need a lot. I'm going to put some on the back of my hands too. My skin gets so red when I rub it. While that's sinking in then, I'm going to curl my lashes, put a bit of mascara on. I'm going to use Exxager-Eyes by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm really liking this. My lashes stay curled and it provides volume and length. See the difference? I mean, there's a big difference with blonde eyelashes. My face has settled down now. That's good. Now back to my foundation. I specifically came down here to put sunscreen on, not even to film or put makeup on. And then I thought, oh, I'll take you along with me and show you what I do. Maybe just a little bit there. Just tapping it out. I have the Tatcha Lip Mask on, by the way. Elegant, gorgeous. Maybe a bit more around my nose because I feel quite red in here. And nobody's going to see my forehead anyway, so I'm not going to pay much attention to that. Let me touch just a little bit lighter so I'm not getting all the blood flowing to my nose. Put a little bit of linen right there, and I'm just going to use my fingers to blend that out. Maybe just a bit down my nose. Using my Haus Labs powder, right, especially in the T-zone. I don't mind the glow the rest of the areas, but around my nose and my chin and my forehead, that gets red quite fast, as you could see. Maybe a little bit there too. One thing I love about this, well, many things I love about this, is I never feel like I look dead. Like it's not so matte that it sucks the life out of my skin. And that at my age, at 52, is what I want. 53, I'm almost 53. And I'm gonna use True Harmony. This is the Glow Play Cushiony Blush by MAC. This color for me is almost like a bronzer, and that's all I want today. I just want to look fresh, maybe a little bit sun-kissed, nothing blushy, nothing too poppy. And this has a beautiful glow, but it's also a powder formula. So you see? Ha. Yeah, that's pretty. Or maybe a little on my nose too. There. Lips, I'm going to use Wherever Walnut. I got to sharpen these things. Is this too warm? No, it's good. Goes with my True Harmony. That is perfect just the way it is because my lip mask makes it look moist. That's what I want. I hope this helps, and I will see you later. Bye.